When it comes to improving indoor air quality and creating a more comfortable living environment, choosing the right humidifier can make a significant difference. The MIRO-NR08M completely washable modular sanitary humidifier is designed with convenience, performance, and hygiene in mind. Unlike many traditional humidifiers that can be difficult to clean, this model features a fully washable modular design. Every component can be easily taken apart, allowing users to clean every surface thoroughly. As a result, maintaining a sanitary humidifier becomes much simpler. In addition, the large 1-gallon water bowl supports easy top filling, which means users can refill the unit without interrupting its operation. This thoughtful design helps reduce hassle while ensuring continuous comfort throughout the day. What truly sets this humidifier apart is its powerful ultrasonic mist-making technology. Equipped with MIRO's most durable and powerful mist maker to date, the MIRO-NR08M delivers impressive humidification performance for larger spaces. It can effectively cover rooms up to 600 square feet, making it suitable for bedrooms, living rooms, offices, and other sizable indoor areas. Furthermore, users can customize the output according to their needs. At maximum power, the humidifier can operate continuously for up to 8 hours. On lower settings, it can run for as long as 24 hours before requiring a refill. Therefore, it offers flexibility for both daytime and overnight use. The cool mist produced by the unit helps maintain comfortable humidity levels while promoting a more pleasant indoor atmosphere. Another standout feature is the modern touch panel control system. Instead of relying on complicated buttons or menus, the humidifier offers intuitive touch controls that make operations simple and user-friendly. Additionally, the built-in colorful LED lighting adds a stylish touch to any room. Users can cycle through a variety of colors, select a favorite shade, or completely turn the lights off when a darker environment is preferred. This feature not only enhances the appearance of the device, but also allows it to blend seamlessly into different room settings. Whether placed on a bedside table or in a family room, the MIRO-NR08M provides both functionality and visual appeal. Consequently, it serves as more than just a household appliance. It becomes part of the room's overall ambience. If the MIRO-NR08M sounds like the right humidifier for your home, be sure to check out the link in the description below for the latest pricing and availability. It's a simple way to support the channel while getting a product that could improve comfort and air quality in your living space. Also, if this review was helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future product reviews, buying guides, and useful home improvement recommendations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.